When I was just a young boy, must have been about 14. Yeah, when I was a young boy, just about 14, there was an old dusty bar down the road. Every stain on the old bar held its own story of a many old souls. An old black man named Pistol Pete, standing behind that worn-out bar. Yeah, Pistol Pete would grin and reach for that old mason jar. He would import that homemade moonshine. He would say, son, just take life easy. Life will burn you worse than this will. I'd sit there quietly in the corner, learning more than school ever could have taught me. Yeah, I'd sit there quietly in the corner, learning more than books could have ever taught me. Those old men play their cards and reminiscing on old memories, while I was swaying to the blues on the radio. Couple older gentlemen at the table with poker chips and wrinkled hands, and the cigar smoke hanging heavy like the ghosts of stories past. They'd laugh really low and then shake their heads, say, boy, you don't know hard times yet. I'd sit and watch and listen closely. I didn't say a word all night, just heard about empty pockets and hungry days, and those fights they couldn't win. They'd say that times were harder in the old days, hard like a winter with worn out old shoes. Yeah, I'd sit there quietly in the corner, learning more than school ever could have taught me. Yeah, I'd sit there quietly in the corner, learning more than books could have ever taught me. Those old men played their cards and reminiscing on old memories, while I was swaying to the blues on the radio. Now every time I smell cigar smoke or hear of them old poker chips, I would see Pistol Pete's slow smile, and I swear I could taste that old moonshine again. Those nights still walk beside me, every mile I've ever roamed. Yeah, those nights still walk beside me, no matter how far I have come. I learned the blues from those old souls in a bar that felt like home. Yeah, times were hard when they were young, and in some ways they still are today. I learned the truth at 14 in the slow blues way.